Welcome everyone. Today we will provide you the information about digital marketing. Digital marketing is a way of promoting and selling product or services using digital technologies. It is all about reaching potential customers through online channels such as website, social media, emails, search engines, and mobile apps. Here are some key components of digital marketing. First, website marketing. Creating a website to showcase your product or services. It acts as your online storefront where customer can learn more about what you offer and make purchases. Second, search engine optimization. Optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine result pages like Google for relevant keywords. This helps drive organic traffic to your sites. Third, social media marketing. Using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to engage with your audience, share contents, and promote your product or services. It is a way to build brand awareness and connect your customers on a more personal level. For email marketing, sending targeted emails to your subscriber to promote special offers, share news and updates. Email marketing is a cost effective way to stay in touch with your audience and drive sales. 5. Content marketing, creating and sharing valuable content such as blog posts, videos, infographics, etc. to attract and retain customers. It is about providing relevant and useful information to your target audience to build trust and credibility. 6. Pay per click advertising, paying to display ads on search engines or social media platform. You only pay when someone's click on your ad, making it a cost-effective way to reach potential customers who are actively searching for product or services like yours. 7. Analytics and data analysis. Using tools to track and analyze the performance of your digital marketing campaigns, this helps you understand what is working well and what needs improvement. So you can make informed decision to optimize your strategies. Overall, digital marketing offers businesses a powerful way to reach and engage with their target audience in today's digital world. It is constantly evolving as a new technologies and platforms, but the core principles remain the same: understanding your audience, delivering values, and adapting to changes in the digital landscapes. At last, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more information. Thank you.